Pandora Hunting with Debbie and Scuba Jude, and I'm gonna do something different today. This is gonna be story time. Well, how about one of my favorite buys of all time? And I've seen a few people talk about these on Instagram lately and on my Facebook group, so I thought I'd pull this out and would have a look at what's inside here. But first, let me say how I found this. This was in Let It Go, and I seen this, let's say, 2 Christmases ago, and the girl wanted $60 for it. I immediately called her and said I'd love to have this, and we had a long talk about Pandora on online, and I told her I was a collector and I've always been looking for this, and would she please choose me to let me buy it. And she said sure. Well, she was quite a ways away, and she said, you know what, for the Christmas holiday, my husband's taking me to Niagara Falls. So we're going to be driving through where you live. How about we come down and I'll bring it to you. That blew me away. That was so sweet. I was so thrilled. We would have gone all the way out to where she was to get it, just because this is so special and exactly what I wanted. And it was such a great deal. This was $60, which is pretty crazy. That was her asking price, and I wasn't going to counter offer. I thought that was more than fair, and I actually said, listen, I'll give you some money for gas. But she said, no, we're coming anyway, so let me just bring it to you, because I want to know where it's going, and I'm going to be happy that it's got a good home, because I bought it when I was in the States at an outlet a few years ago. The girl did, and she only wore it that one day, so that was even better. Okay, let me show you what's in here. Let me see if I can open this up with one hand. I'm hoping I can. And this is the bag it came in too. And I've never seen this bag before. And there it is. This is going to be hard to pull out with one hand. And it's going to stay on the pillow. So this is what I was buying. It's a Pandora watch, and it's a double wrap, and it's gold trim with a black leather band. It's darn near spotless, like absolutely beautiful. It's got the little black stone here. I should have polished it a bit. I've had it in the bag, and I just thought I'm going to take it out and show this. I've worn it a few times, and I love it. Like, absolutely love it. It says Pandora on the clasp. It's in fabulous shape. And it looks really good with my bracelets on. So I think I'm going to cut to the camera and put my bracelet on, and I'll show you this, because I think it looks best with my gold bracelet, or my two-tone bracelet. So I'll be right back. And here's the watch. I am absolutely crazy about this piece. I don't think there's a mark on it, and I was completely jumping for joy when I got this. This was my Christmas present. Probably one of my favorite finds of all time. And it's got Pandora on the other side. Just love it. I was so thrilled when I got this. Let me know if anybody else has been able to find a Pandora watch, and if so, which one, and where'd you find it? And also, what's your ultimate favorite Pandora find of all times? This one is probably mine, along with probably my my gold pink ribbon charm. So leave me a comment. Tell me if you found a watch. If so, which one? And what's your favorite piece you've ever found? This probably tied. Okay, thank you for having this sit-down video with me, and please subscribe and leave me a comment. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye. Okay, here we go. Let me straighten out my bracelet. I love this watch. I don't get a ton of use out of it because, to tell you the truth, I'm terrified of anything happening to it. But it's in fabulous condition. I think she told me she paid $60 American for this at the outlet. And that is pretty amazing. I'm pretty sure she said somewhere in Pennsylvania. So for it to end up in Canada and for me to get it, I'm absolutely thrilled about that. Trying to get my phone to focus on this, but I think we got it there. So this would be the Pandora watch with the double wrap, and I love it. So in the comments, can you tell me if you have a watch or if you found one? And does anyone have one like this? I'd love to know that. And what is your ultimate find? This just might be one of my top finds, along with some of the gold charms that I've gotten, like my gold pink ribbon charm. Next to that, my watch. So thank you for watching today, and we'll see you soon. Take care.